I gotta say this. You know, of course, Joe's famous now for being fit, but just to reassure all of you in the audience, you can't chalk it up to genes or even your natural good looks. I've got a picture of you at age 13. Are you all ready for this? There it is. I love this. So what made you decide to get in the shape you're in? How you transform from that age at 13? How old are you now?
I'm 36. I'm about to be 37.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So lifetime away, you look like that. How'd you do it?
Yeah, well, you know, when I was that age, I was a good athlete. I was always the captain of all the sports teams. But somewhere in high school, there was a test where, you know, we had a pull-up and a dip test. And I couldn't do one pull-up or one dip. And so I thought, you know, being the captain, I would place somewhere near the top or in the middle, but I was dead last. So, you know, I guess failure in a way was the reason, was kind of the rocket fuel that propelled me towards this kind of lifelong goal to you know, tell all those coaches, all those people that thought I could never pull it off, that I could.
Speaking of failure, you've been very open about the fact that you had a problem with alcohol and with cigarettes. How'd you turn that around?
You know, I think I was lucky. There's a lot of people that don't. I mean, and obviously in Hollywood, it seems like there's an epidemic, especially in the past, you know, few years. But, you know, I met a group of like-minded people that had been down that road, and, you know, they helped me. But it's really an inside job.
Was there a rock-bottom moment when you realized this is terrible?
Sure, yeah. The sheriff's knocking on my door.
Sheriff knocking on your door?
Sheriff's knocked on my door and gave me 5 minutes to collect my belongings before they changed the locks and kicked me out. And my car had a boot on it and was eventually auctioned off with all my clothes in it. So I was kind of, you know, I call it my instant Buddhism phase, where I was kind of, you know, wandering the earth with nothing but a duffel bag full of my belongings. And, you know, it was something had to change.
So what advice do you have for folks who've never worked out before, but they want to go from where you were to this?
Well, first, I would say, you know, Judd, you saw my before picture. Anything is possible. The other side is that the real enemy is the mind, not the body. And that's really the meaning behind my book and the philosophy behind my technique of working out. You take this impossible task. I can't do that. I can't get into that kind of shape. That's not for me. Break it into smaller, more digestible pieces, and before you know it, you're there.
He has created for us a half male, half female workout, which is analogous, I think, in many ways. And the secret ingredient is his favorite carb, which are sweet potatoes. So come on over.
Sure.
Now, sweet potatoes are not the kind you're going to eat today. You're actually going to use them. Joining us for Joe Manganiello's Secrets to a Sweet Body, have a seat there.
Okay.
Nicole, is that right?
Yes.
Gina and Lorinda.
Hi.
All right. So ladies, grab your sweet potatoes. Now, are you going to keep that thing on the whole time? That switch
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Come on,
I'm
Joe.
mic'd up on my jacket here.
Oh, come on, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
Here, I'll go like that. Look.
All right.
I've got a little something. Come on.
Right.
Move the mic like this.
You see?
There we go. Just dress it up a little bit. He knows how to do it. There we are. All right. Now, this is how you lift
All right.
weights.
Okay.
You're on shows. All right.
Made me happy for
Oh,
the
yeah.
day. There you go.
All right.
Are those real?
These are real.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at this. All right.
Not quite the same. All right. All righty. I
Okay.
don't wear this thing on you anymore.
Yeah?
Here,
All right.
ladies, take that.
Okay, so we're going to do kind of a little mini circuit here.
So grab your cans
Okay.
first. You with cans first or
Hands
bags?
first?
Let's go with the bags. Let's go bags.
You up for
Start
it?
bags first.
Listen, all right.
I see.
Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go into an overhead press, seated overhead press. So you're going to clean the weights up to there, okay? Now, the good thing to keep in mind is you're going to go up in a straight line, okay?
Heavy.
All right.
That was good.
Yeah? Okay, great. Now, the second
I'm done.
Second part, you're going to grab,
Feeling good.
I would grab your cans now.
All right.
You want to give him a can?
Okay?
Give me some
grab your can. Yeah, grab your can. And we'll stand up for this part.
Those cans?
Okay, so you're going to grab, you can grab those 20s. I'll take the 30s.
All right. There you go.
But
Oh, the cans?
Okay, great.
Cans.
Now we're going to go into a lateral raise. So first we worked, the first move was the push up. Now we're going to push out to the side. Remember, again, engage your pelvis, like push your pelvis forward rather than back, okay? Pelvis forward, and you're gonna come out in a straight line to the side.
Those are hard.
Yeah, these
Give me
are
some of
tough.
those cans.
You want the cans?
Give me some cans back there.
I'll come help you.
Help.
Okay? All right, now, The third part is a pulling motion. So we did push, push. Now we're going with a pull. We're going to hit the biceps. So what you're going to do is, once again, you're going to take that good, powerful stance, and we're going to bicep curl with a twist. The bicep moves in two different ways. There's the up and down movement, and there's a rotating movement.
Ooh, I'm busting a sweat.
And you'll look good. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And remember to check back often to see what's new. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.